In this video, I'm going to show you how to become invisible in Discord server. So please watch this video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to go open our Discord application and choose a server of your choice. So for me, I have chosen this server. So as you can see, this is my profile. I am currently online. So my friends in this server will also see me as online, but we don't have any assurance that this person is also offline. So maybe she or he is just making her or his profile invisible. So how do we do that? We just want to go hover in our profile here in the bottom left side of your screen, and we want to click on it. And from here, you can see our status is online. So we can either choose here to be idle, do not disturb, or invisible. So from here, we want to click on invisible. So here it says that you will not appear online, but will have full access to all of Discord. So let's try it. So as you can see, I am now invisible. I will be currently appearing in the offline section of any servers on Discord, but you have every and full access to all of the servers. You can still send messages or even join voice channels, but your friends and people will see you as offline. So that is how you go invisible in Discord. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.